Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. At present we are at Suan airport and we are going towards Nong Nooch tropical garden. Suan, Nong Nooch. Suan means garden in Thai language. Nong Nooch tropical garden is currently a 500-acre botanical garden. Mr. Pisit and Mrs. Nong Nooch Tansacha purchased 800 acres rolling hills and valleys on Sukhumvit road in Chonburi province in the year of 1954 with the intention of developing the land as a fruit plantation filled with mangoes, orange, coconuts as well as many other local fruits. However, Mrs. Nong Nooch during her trip abroad was inspired by the beauty of world-renowned gardens and decided to turn the fruit orchard into a tropical garden of ornamental flowers and plants. The gardens were formally opened in 1980. A lot to see at Nong Nooch, especially theme garden. The French garden, the Roman garden, cactus garden, butterfly and tower, flower valley, etc. You can see both largest variety of orchids and largest collection of palm trees. Added to the garden was a daily Thai cultural show and elephant show within the theatre. More than 5,000 people visit every day and the garden has been recognized as one of the top 10 most beautiful gardens in the world. Tropical garden opens daily 8 am to 6 pm. Outside food not allowed here, just you can carry one 500 ml water bottle. You get delicious buffet lunch in the restaurant timing 11 am to 2 pm. Multiple restaurants available here to cater your taste buds and daily shows start from 10:30 in the morning to keep you entertained and immersed all the time. The most convenient and cheapest way to get there is to take a shared transfer service from Pattaya bus terminal and it will take 30 minutes to reach. Some major hotels of central Pattaya also arrange share pickup and drop-off service for Nong Nooch tropical garden. Plan to visit early in the morning before the weather gets too hot. As maximum time weather hot and humid, I'll suggest you to carry face towel, hat and umbrella. Book your ticket online. It is the cheapest and easiest way to buy tickets. You can spend time in this spectacular garden as much as you can because it would be never enough. Actually, Nong Nooch garden consume your whole day if you want to visit all. But only for your information, I want to share others name of attraction situated around the Nong Nooch tropical garden. Number 1, Pattaya floating market. Number 2, Ramayana water park. Number 3, Buddha Mountain. Nong Nooch Tropical Garden is a green paradise for nature's lover. And as I told you, garden is more like a theme park, so everybody can enjoy here. If you're traveling with children, they will absolutely love it. Thanks for watching my channel.